Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today you are going to see creamy potatoes recipe. These potatoes are also served in BBQ Nation and I have tried to recreate them. And for this recipe you are going to need a few baby boiled potatoes, Thai chili or sweet chili sauce, mint or green chutney, mayonnaise. I'm using olive oil mayonnaise, you can use any mayonnaise, onion and green chilies which are finely chopped. For some spiciness I'm using 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce also, cornflour and red chili powder. Now the first step that I'm going to do is to poke the potatoes using a fork randomly. There's no specific technique to do this, you can do this randomly. Now repeat this step for all the baby potatoes. In a fresh bowl I'm going to add cornflour and our chili powder, red chili powder to be more specific, and I'm going to add water to it. Now this mixture should be of a running consistency. Now I guess I'll have to add more of water in this, and I'll do that because this mixture has become a bit thick. So I'm going to add more water. And this is how the consistency should be. Now I'm adding all the poked potatoes in this mixture, and I'm going to coat each and every potato with this liquid mixture. And you need to do this quite well because we have poked the potatoes and the mixture should go inside them. Keep mixing this mixture simultaneously, as there is a possibility that the red chili may get separated from the cornflour. And if you're wondering, the cornflour will help the potatoes to remain crisp as we fry them out. Now I'm going to deep fry the potatoes on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes and on low flame for about 2 minutes, so that they are cooked really well from inside too. Now I'm going to take out the potatoes on a tissue paper and remove the excess oil out of them, and also press it like you are seeing in the video. You have to do this step for all the potatoes and do it when they are hot. Now in a fresh bowl add your mayonnaise. In this bowl we are making our sauce that will go on top of our fried potatoes. And now I'm adding chili sauce or the Thai chili sauce, then the green chutney, some Tabasco sauce. You can skip out this step if you don't like Tabasco, and I'm adding salt to it. Be careful while adding salt as the sauces already contains salt. Add the green chilies and onion and mix this sauce really well. Everything should be blended in. This recipe may take you around half an hour to get ready. And now I'm going to fry the potatoes, the pressed potatoes again to make it more crisp. This is optional. If you are running out of time, you can just add the sauce on top of the previous fried potatoes and serve it like that only. And now I'm going to line my potatoes in a plate. And just taking the sauce on top of it, just like I'm doing in the video. Else, if you like the fried potatoes, you can also serve this sauce side by side. But this is the exact recipe. You can decorate them with parsley or fresh coriander leaves to make it more attractive and give it a bit of color, and they are ready to be served. I hope you all like this recipe. Trust me guys, this is one of my most favorite appetizers, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Also, if you have any requests or any queries, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section. Also follow me on my other social networks for staying connected. Till then, take care. Bye.